Hey guys, I'm back with this really pretty makeup look. I'm going to start off with this Milk Hydro Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my face, including my eyelids. I'm going to be taking these two eye pencils. One of them is by Jordanna in a medium brown, and the other is by Colourpop in a brown black. First, I'm just going to go ahead and use the end of that Jordanna spoolie and brush in my brows to prepare them to be lined, basically. I'm going to take the Jordanna pencil and just trace midway with my brows in the front with the brown one, and then on the back, I'm just going to go ahead and take the Colourpop, fill in my brows, as well as bring it forward towards the front almost to, midway of my brow. Then after that, what I'm basically going to do is get the Jordanna brown pencil and fill in the front of my brows and take it back going into the one with the Colourpop. The reason I am doing that is it allows it to transition, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the spoolie and just blend everything together. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And then what I'm going to do is use these three concealers. One is by L'Oreal, it's in Honey. The other two are by Colourpop. They are in 115 W, and the other one is in 125 Neutral. I'm going to be using the two Colourpop ones on my bottom brows, and then I'm going to use the Honey from the L'Oreal on my top brow. And then what I'm just going to do is just basically trace my brow and go in the direction of where I put the pencil and drew them, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out a bit. Now what I'm going to do is take this brush right here. I forget the name of it. I don't think it has one. It's like a round flat top brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all over the concealer where I have it on my top and bottom brow. Next, I'm going to be going ahead and take this Sigma eye pencil. Well, not eye pencil, it's like a eyeshadow base. It's in Persuade, and I'm going to put that on both of my lids, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used for the concealers and blend out that concealer on my eye. Now, the first palette that I'm going to be using is by UCANBE. It's the Twilight to Dusk, and the color that I'm going to be taking is Angelic. I'm going to be taking Angelic and placing that on my transition. I'm going to be using that fluffy brush right there, and I'm going to be going ahead to blend that eyeshadow into like basically my transition color. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here. This color is called Nefertiti. What I'm going to be doing with that color is I'm basically going to go ahead and place it into my crease and blend it out and upward toward my brow to just kind of, blend everything together. So that's what you guys are going to be seeing me do right here. I'm just going to be blending everything together. So then after I'm done blending, what I'm going to go ahead and go back into that Twilight palette again, and I'm going to take Cashmere. Cashmere is going to be going on my lid with this flat brush right here. All these brushes are from Beauty Crush Cosmetics, so I'm just going to go take Cashmere and place it on my lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this another UCANBE palette and Splashy Candies. You guys, they have some beautiful behind colors. And I'm going to take this, it's like a glittery, shimmery purple. It is so beautiful, you guys. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to place that on my lid. I'm going to be taking this Exotic Flavors UCANBE palette, you guys, and I'm going to take one color out of there. I'm going to be using a gold color. It is a very beautiful shimmery gold color, and that gold color is going to be going into my inner tear duct. Going back into the Twilight palette by UCANBE, I'm going to go ahead and take Nefertiti. I'm going to take Nefertiti on a kind of smudger brush, and I'm going to smudge that into my bottom lash line. going to go ahead and take my foundation. My foundation is by CoverGirl Outlast 24 Hours. This is the one that I'm using today. And the color that I have is in a natural tan. I'm going to take 3 pumps and just dot that all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender here, you guys. I got it from Amazon. It is super duper soft. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bounce that all over my face to blend in my foundation. If you guys noticed that I did not put any foundation on my forehead, that's because whatever's left over off the beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and put that on my forehead because I don't put too much foundation on my forehead. What I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to take these 2 concealers here that I use for my underbrow highlight, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face with them. So I'm just going to put both of them on my face, you guys, highlight my face, and then use the beauty blender to basically go ahead and blend everything out to just make everything seamless and go well. Then after I'm done blending with everything, what I'm going to take is my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to just basically put it everywhere that I went ahead and put that concealer. What I'm going to do right now, you guys, take this LA Girl Pro face powder, and this is in warm caramel. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face with this pressed powder and this little brush. I'm going to be using this angled brush right here from Beauty Crush Cosmetics, and I'm going to go ahead and contour the rest of my face with that brush. Going to go ahead and take this CoverGirl Outlast Pressed Powder Foundation. This is in the same color, natural tan, as the foundation, and I'm gonna take that fluffy brush and go ahead and put it all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC blush. This blush is in Pinch Me, and I'm going to use it with that other big old fluffy brush from Beauty Crush Cosmetics and put some blush on. These are magnetic lashes, you guys. I got them from Bella Bella. There's a whole video I have. It'll be linked in the bottom bar. I'm going to go ahead and take these natural looking lashes right here, and I'm going to use the eyeliner that came with it. This is how the eyeliner look. It's basically like a regular eyeliner that you put on your eyes. You have to wait until it completely dries, and then you go ahead and put on the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite mascara by Maybelline. This is Sky High, and I'm just only going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't need to put it on the top lashes. I'm going to go ahead now and use these 2 lippies. It's a liquid lipstick by Colored Rain called Bodacious. Y'all, this is a very pretty purple, and I'm sorry my camera didn't focus. And the lip line I'm going to be using is BFF by Colourpop. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips and then go ahead and put on the liquid lipstick. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. I absolutely love this look right here. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I love all of you all. And by the way, Happy New Year's to all of you. I hope you guys enjoyed this New Year look. Bye.